For our last maths lesson of the week. So today we are doing another problem solving task, slightly different, similar kind of style to the addition and subtraction pyramids that we've done. So today we're doing a magic number square. So in a magic number square, each row, so that's going across, so these three boxes, and these three boxes, and these three boxes, as well as each column, so going down, those three, and those three, as well as the diagonals. So the diagonals will be 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. I'll need to add up to the same number. Now, you'll always be given the value of at least one row or column or diagonal so that you can work it out, otherwise it'd be impossible. So today we're starting off with this one. So we've got 10, add 6, add 2. So I'll show you how we're going to work out this first one, and then it'll be over to you so you can have a go at doing this. So for the most part, you will just be adding today, but you will have to have some subtractions in your mind to help you work out some of the numbers. Okay, so first of all, I do 10 add 6 add 2, which gives me 18. Now, here I've already got two numbers in this column, so I'm going to work out what this number is. So if I've done 2 add 7, I know that equals 9. Now I know that if I'm meant to be getting 18 take away 9 would give me 9. So this one here will be a 9. So my next step, well, I'm going to do 6 and 9. So I'm going to do my diagonal now. So I've got 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 is 15. So if I do 6 and 9 is 15, then I'll do 18 take away 15 would give me 3. So this one here would be 3. My next one, I've got 10 and 3 here. So I've got 2 in this column. 10 and 3 is 13. 18 take away 13 will give me 5. So that one will be 5. Now I could either do this row or I could do this row. So we're going to do 7 add 3, which is 10. And I know that to get to 18, I just need to add 8. Now for my final one, I could either do 6 add 8 or I could do 5 add 9. I'm going to do 6 add 8. So 6 add 8 is 14. 18 take away 14 is 4. So that's how we work this out. So you've got lots of little calculations going on. If you get stuck, do come back to this point in the video so that you can refresh your memory on how to do this. But it's just lots of little additions to find your answers in a row. Lots of checking as well to make sure you got it right. Okay, so here's your first one as your example to remind you. So for this one, the first thing you need to do is add 8 and 9 and 4. Once you've done that and worked out what your total for your column is, and for each row and everything, and then you can get working on finding out this one. So once you've done that, once you've worked out this one, this value of this row, this column even, you then would do 5 add 9, and then whatever your total is, you'd take away 5 add 9. Then once you've worked out this middle one, you can then either work out this number plus 8 to find out this one, or you could do this number and 4 to find out this corner. Okay, so have a go at that one and I will show you your answers shortly. Okay, so your answer for your first one is this. So you should run 8 add 9 add 4. Well, now we know that 8 add 8 is 16. Add one more would be 17. 17 add 4 would give me 21. So I'm looking to make 21. So then I do 9 add 5. What do I need to make to get it up to a 21? So that'd be 7, and so on. So then from there you do either 7 add 4, add 10, or you do 7 add 8 to get to 6. Okay. So for the next few, we're still working on just 3 squares on these ones. So 3 across, 3 down. So here you've got 2 add 5 add 8. So add 2, 5 and 8 to find your total. Once you've found your total, you can then work out, you could either do whatever this one is by doing 6 add 5, or you could work out this one by doing 6 add 8. So it's up to you. You could either work this one out first or this one. You could even work this one out up here if you do 2 and 6. So have a go at working out what our answers are here. And on this one, I've got 9 add 10 add 5. So again, add those up, find out your total, and then from that, you could either work out this one by doing 5 and 7, or you could do this one by doing 9 and 7. Okay, so pause here before I move on to our answer page. Okay, ready for answers then? So there you are, there are our answers now completed. Hopefully yours will match mine. Okay, pause here so you can have a bit more time and I will move on to the next one. Okay, so get a little bit tricky now, so it's changed colours. So instead of doing green ones, we've gone to pink. It's a little bit trickier. Slightly bigger numbers this time. So again, 10, add 11, add 6. What's your total? Then work out this one first. And go from there, because then you can work out this one. And you can work out this one, and this one, and then this one. This one, you've got 18 and 10 add 2. So work out what your total would be for those three numbers. Once you've done that, you can work out this one here, because you've got your 10 and your 4. Or you could work out this one here because you've got your 18 and your 4. Once you've done that, you could work out this one, then this one, and then this one. Okay, pause here so you can have a look and have a go. And before I move on to your answers. Okay, answer time then. There you go. Again, pause, have a check. And now we'll move on. Okay, again, so do 15, add 12, add 9. Then can you do the 12, add 8, add something? And on the other one, you do 8, add 15, add 10 to work out your total. And then figure out what needs to go between 14 and 10. Okay, I'm going to get ready to show you our answers now, so hopefully you've had time and you've paused. There we go. Again, pause again. A few more to do yet. Okay, right. Again, we've got blue now, so we've gone bigger. So we've got an extra row and extra column to work with. So an extra number for each of your calculations. So for the first one you need to do, you've got 16, add 5, add 9, add 4. So then you could work out this bottom one down here, because you've only got one digit mixing. You could also do this one up here, because you've got 14, add 12, add 5. So you can work out those two first. Once you've worked out this one, you can work out this one. And then you can go from there, because then you can work out this one, and then this one, and then this one, and then this one. Okay, so have a go at that one. Take your time on these. Okay, I'm going to show you your answers now. So there you go, that's your answers for this question. We get on to our next one. There you go. So again, you've got 16, add 7, add 11, add 4. Work out what those add up to. From that, you can choose which one you want to do next. So I would do 5, add 7, add 12, and I'd work out this bottom corner here, doing the diagonal. Or I could do 17, add 11, add 2 to work out this one here, also on a diagonal. Once I've worked out this one, I can work out this one. Once I've worked out this one, I can do this one and this one. Okay, I'm going to show you your answers now. So please make sure you pause if you haven't finished yet. And there are your answers. Okay, there we go. So a little bit different this week. More problem solving and puzzles than anything else. So just applying what we've been doing over the last couple of weeks with those addition and subtraction skills. I hope you've enjoyed this week's maths lessons, and I will see you next week for some more. Bye.